Okay, we're not going out hunting this morning. It's pretty windy. We're going to wait for it to die down a bit this afternoon. And then this afternoon, we're going up this mountain here. We're going to go up here, and then we're going to follow this ridge down here, cross across there, sidle around here. Then we're going to drop down into there. There's a bunch of aspens down in there that we've been seeing quite a few elk in the afternoons. You can see the aspens there, that light green patch. It doesn't look too bad from here, but when you get over there it's really steep. So we might end up spending half the night there.